What's up, everybody? It's Michael Major back with another webisode. It's been 2 weeks, and in this one I'm going to show you what I ride in 2021. So here it is. Alright, so I just stubbed in this little foresty thing to shoot a little B-roll for the bike check, and here it is. This is what I ride in 2021. Iliation Skylight rims, Maxxis DTH tires, Pole BMX Mark Web forks, a Madeira front hub. I ride the ODI long neck soft grips. I ride a Colony Sweet Tooth Alex Heim signature bars 9.4 rise. I ride the Profile Racing Mulville push stem. Total BMX headset. My frame, it's a Total BMX Kilo Bay Key 3 Kyle Baldock signature frame. It's 21 top tube, 12.6 rear end. I have a Snafu one-piece seat, it's super light. It's pretty durable actually. I have specialized beauty pedals. Shadow Conspiracy chain. I got a Cinema 888 rim. Profile mini rear hub with titanium driver and the Tioga power block rear tire. So this was the B-roll. Let me know what you think about that one. It was fun to shoot, as you could see, but let's keep going. So we're back in the studio. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think about the bike. Call me some tricks for the next one. I want to do a little calling the shots in the near future in a little local park, so you know, don't go crazy. But yeah, I think that could be fun. A little creativity from you guys, from me. Let me know what you guys thought of this one, and see you in the next one. Peace.